Oh, how you doing? Fantastic staying in Inwood. Should grab a light quick and show you what I saw a month or two ago. The car should a transmission line. So there's the new transmission line. And a brake line. They charged me $700 some for it. Look at this brake line, boys. Transmission line, okay. I just didn't want to work on the car. It was like cold in winter or something, and it was just dicked, and I was like, I quit. But so they just put a union in there. I mean, it's the proper union, but and the only freaking clamp is self-tapping it into the floor, right up into the floor, and then it's just free floating unit all the way up, bends around backward. It's just ridiculous. Oh dear, I took it, I could see, okay, Inwood Customs did that for free. Okay, you know what I mean, get her going, send her on her way. But you're shopping, that's how you pay a brake line. Nice, but and it just so coherence that this brake that they were monkeying with is locked up. So I got a parts car out back to see if I got a caliper on that. If not, we'll have to order one. That's why I really don't like bringing my trucks to shops. I'll just park it in the yard. It's just, you're better off. You're better off just parking it in the yard, But yeah, I'm not impressed with that one bit. Nope. But anyways, I gotta go get the felon. We'll come back, rip the tire off, see if we don't got a caliper, fix the brakes, get the car back up and lickety splippins, and then we can proceed with our day. heads on this side are still good, so the caliper was hard to friggin' wind in. Caliper's probably dead, boys. Mr. Fox, send it, eh? I apologize. I apologize for that. Oh, my friggin' cylinder come in, so that's handy. It's $420 cost me. And the ends are different, so it comes with 3 adapters. I don't know, but I want to get the fluid out of this. Anyways, says I got my non-scent semi-copacetic over here. We'll see what happens. And spin her around, huh? Ouch. Spin her around so she lines up. I got that done. Probably just leaks like crazy. But we'll get this out of here and grab the skid steer probably. Oh, it's so cold. it should work out lickety splits. Be able to back drag and see what you're doing, and just got the lower front and the longer stovepipe. Like my other buckets are taller and shorter, so you can't see the cutting edge. You gotta like, it's just dicked. They're more like material handling buckets. This is more like a proper shape for a skid steer, but also the 4-in-1 capabilities. So we'll try her out, see what happens. She's a little kimpa-wimpus, but not too bad. Not too bad. The new ram all in there, greased up, ready to go. Probably just do a little once over on this unit, get it ready. It's friggin' was spring, now it's winter again, but spring's tomorrow, so that's not too bad. But anyways, all right, well, switch the hoses around it just before it getting puked on me big times. Like a real bad. At 2,349.3 hours. At 22 something when I got it. Frig yeah, boys. Be able to like pinch and scoop different things. I love tractor things that have a button that opens and closes. Eh? But anyways, boys, got that working. It's freezing cold and just dickered out, so doing a little inside activities today. I dug out the gauges for the 83. Everybody's always mad at me because they're like, oh, when are you gonna finish the 83? Buddy, I gotta fucking screw the fenders on it, put the dually tires on it, and mount the gauges in the dash bezel and screw that on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Relax. Relax. Took me a long time to work up the gumptions to freaking just hog holes in the dash of the 83, right? But you know, when it's all new and fancy, I'm like, oh, but then after I've had it for a few years, and it's like, well, I get just hog her through, you know what I mean? Surprise. But wow, we should crack a door for a quick sec and then breathe some oxygen. It'll be great. But anyways, boys, I go.